That wasn't a good one. Let's get that again. Oh, there we go. That's better. They took care of this one. Got a key here. Some of the trims are missing. No remote start. Runs good. 168, 178.
Advertisement by Family Vacation Getaways with the purpose of soliciting sales of vacation ownership. For complete details, please visit fvgradio.com. If you want a 100% complimentary stay at a luxury resort in Cancun, airfare not included, then Family Vacation Getaways is your ticket to paradise. See website for complete details. We're giving away 5 days and 4 nights to the first 50 callers who can name an animal that lays eggs and is not a bird. An animal that lays eggs and is not a bird. Do you know it? Call now. 800-784-3702. You're also eligible for an exciting bonus vacation.
We'll just go back.
Ruining your plans. We can extend your travel up to 18 months.
No.
Name an animal that lays eggs and is not a bird, and you get a complimentary Cancun resort stay and an optional bonus vacation to Orlando for just $498. What are you waiting for? Call 800-784-3702 and give us your answer. The proceeding is not a contest and is a paid advertisement by Family Vacation Getaways and not sponsored by this program or its affiliates.
City.
Las Vegas.
Vegas, make some noise!